Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Migrate Wisdom, your go-to channel for immigration news and updates. If you're considering moving to Australia, today's video is a must-watch. We'll be diving into the recent correspondence we received from the Australian Migration Minister regarding the delays in processing the 491 skilled work regional visas. This is a hot topic for many aspiring migrants, so stick around as we unravel the details. We reached out to the Australian Migration Minister to get some clarity on these delays, and here's what they had to say. The Department of Home Affairs mentioned that they process applications according to planning levels and processing priorities. They emphasized some applications may take longer than the indicative processing time for a range of reasons, such as the complexity of the particular application and whether additional checks or further assessment is required. They requested us to refer to their government website on these priorities and also the visa processing time on their website. Skilled visa applications are processed in the following order of priority. 1. Employer-sponsored visas in regional areas. Visa applications related to occupations to be carried out in designated regional areas are given top priority. The specific visas that fall under this category include Subclass 186, Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 187, Regional Sponsored Migration Scheme, Subclass 482, Temporary Skill Shortage, Subclass 494, Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional, Provisional. 2. Healthcare or teaching occupations. Visa applications for healthcare or teaching occupations are next in line. This includes a range of professions classified under the Australian and New Zealand Standard Classification of Occupations, ANZSO, such as health professionals, school teachers, health and welfare support workers, child care center managers, medical scientists, counselors, psychologists, social workers, medical technicians. Specific occupations like school principal, child care worker, aged or disabled carer, nursing support worker, and personal care assistant. 3. Accredited sponsors. For employer-sponsored visas, those applications where the applicant is nominated by an approved sponsor with accredited status are prioritized. 4. Migration program subclasses. Permanent and provisional visa subclasses that count towards the migration program, excluding the subclass 188, Business Innovation and Investment provisional visa, are processed next. 5. All other visa applications. Finally, all other visa applications are assessed in order of their date of lodgement. Also here, you can see the processing times by selecting the visa type and your lodgement date. This will show where you stand in terms of processing time, whether you are within the range. Note that this is an indication of the processing times based on past pattern. It was also stated that reducing the number of on-hand visa applications is a priority for the Australian government. The department is drawing flexibly on its global network of visa officers to process applications in line with the government's commitment to supporting economic recovery and addressing skills shortages, and to be assured that the department will contact applicants or their authorized representative if any further information is required or when their application has been finalized. Also, on the query about the discussion paper where they highlighted regional visas will be prioritized, they were pretty vague about the same. They quoted saying that government's vision for getting migration working for the nation and building a migration system that delivers for workers, businesses, and all Australians. This will ensure Australia's migration system is better targeted to build Australia's economic prosperity and security. The government remains committed to attracting strong numbers of migrants to the regions, including by supporting industries and employers in regional Australia, through priority processing and increased access to regional visa products. In recognition of the importance of supporting the vitality and prosperity of regional Australia, the strategy commits a key action to evaluating how the migration system can better support regional Australia in new ways. The Migration Review found that migration can play an important role in meeting our national challenges and in supporting regional Australia, but that the challenges facing regional Australia cannot be addressed purely through migration. Attracting and retaining people to and in our regions depends on a range of factors, including employment opportunities, infrastructure, housing, and access to services. So, what can you do while waiting for your visa? Here are some proactive steps to consider. Stay updated. Regularly check the department's website for updates on processing times. Prepare documentation. Ensure all your documents are complete and up to date. Consult with experts. Consider seeking advice from migration agents or legal experts. Be patient. Understand that delays are being addressed at the governmental level. While waiting can be frustrating, these steps can help you stay prepared and informed. In conclusion, while the delays in 491 visa processing can be daunting, it's clear that the Australian government is aware of the issues and is working towards improving the situation. Remember, patience and preparation are key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Migrate Wisdom for more updates. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your migration journey.